Hello, in this video tutorial I will show you how to solve exercise 1.4.5 of the CAPRI training session online course. In this exercise we are asked to verify our answers to exercise 1.41. In that exercise you were asked to find where the set element GVAP is included, in which set it is a member. So the answer that we came up with were that it was included in the three sets INC_IND, INC_INDs, and set DB rows. However, the human brain is not a very good compiler of GAMS code, so what we would like to do in this exercise is to check. I will show you a way to check what is inside the memory of GAMS, what are the values of the various symbols at a selected point in the program flow. Then we can check if our answer was really correct. And of course, you can use this technique for inspecting also other aspects of the code. So what we will do is to open CAPRI find the place where sets GAMS, this file that we were inspecting, is actually included. Then we'll stop the program flow there and extract the value of all the symbols. Okay, so the first thing I will do is to open CAPRI. So I go to my CAPRI installation, to the folder GAMS, and open CAPRI. Here I will search for sets GAMS. Here, now I will extract the memory at this point and then exit the program. I do this by entering execute unload. I will just give a name temp GDX. That is the GDX container where the memory will be unloaded. Since I don't give any argument here, it will unload everything, the whole memory, all symbols, all sets, everything. And then we don't need to do anything more, so we insert stop command here. So now we will run CAPRI up to this point and inspect the results. Okay, in order to do so, I will start my GUI and run any simulation with the simulation model. And if you have just done the exercise to 1.4.4, where you made your own simulation, you can use that, or you can just run the standard reference scenario. I go to the GUI, I choose run scenario without market model, doesn't matter much. Any simulation scenario that you have. Start GAMS. It runs very quickly because you have this stop command inside CAPRI, so it doesn't do almost anything. Now let's inspect the results. Since I didn't tell GAMS where to unload the GDX file, it will be unloaded at the root level of the GAMS folder. You will also see here in this process window, execute unload temp GDX, one of the last things that the program did. Okay, so that is the place where we'll go looking. So I open my file explorer and go to and scroll down a little bit to look for temp GDX. Here it is. We'll open that in either the GAMS IDE or in GAMS Studio. I choose the GAMS Studio here. So here you will see a list of all the symbols that have been created by GAMS so far. There's a lot of them. So we'll now look at the symbols where we thought that the element GVAP was included. So let's look at INC_INDs, for instance. Here you see the elements that are inside INC_IND. INC_INDs. We see that we were right. GVAP was indeed an element of INC_INDs. Our next claim was that it is in turn included in INC_IND, which included INC_INDs. Let's look for that. GVAP, we were right again. Our final reply was that it is part of the set DB rows. either you can type in the name here or you can scroll down through the list. I'll type in the name, set DB rows, right? Here you see that this set has many more members than the other set. So it's not that easy to find GVAP inside here, and they are not sorted in any particular order, or rather they are in the order that they appear inside SetScams. So we can take this little filter symbol and type in G, V, A, and a star for anything. Apply. Here you see that it contains, for instance, GVAP. So we were correct. This set has been correctly or compiled just as we thought it were. So we have verified our answer. Now we should not forget to do the last part of the exercise. Remove these lines that we inserted in CAPRI. Otherwise, you will not get any results the next time you run the model. So let's do that. Clean up, go to CAPRI and remove these two statements. So something like this. That completes the exercise 1.4.5.